back to another episode here on the Retiro Show. And today we are in Medellin, Colombia. So this is the parking lot area. There's some shuttle buses at the end. You can take those to some hotels and parts of the city as well. And at least this is just one section and one area that I will be showing you of this ranch. So let's go ahead and proceed to where the party is that I got invited to. You might not hear me very well, but this is at least the area where they have the party at. There's a lot of tables, there's a lot of chairs, and I would guess it's what, like maybe 200 people, maybe more. There's a bar area to the left side. And let's go check the back.
Sonido.
There is more seating on the back side. There's a mini bar all the way at the end as well. And over here, there's another area with more tables and chairs. And this also happens to be a golf course. You can actually see people playing golf at this moment. We got it really close. And there's like another terrace over there. The buildings and the style is very like traditional and colonial. You can see the type of shingles that they use here. It's made of like some sort of like cinder blocks. It's like brick. There's another area that you can rent out for like private events. It looks like if it was like a restaurant type of area. Unfortunately, this is a little dry right now. But let's go a little downward over here, and you can see that there is also a pool area. There also happens to be a jacuzzi. Now, this is an area where you can also rent to stay. As far from what I read, there was only about 20 rooms, but these are some of the amenities that you can take advantage of while you stay over here. And the view is actually spectacular. You are actually surrounded by a lot of mountains in every direction that you look. There's a small chapel over there, and I know there's trees in the way, but there is a lot of mountain area towards there. You can park your bicycles right there if you come riding bicycle. This is actually a very interesting style of floor. It's just rocks basically here. So you guys kind of have to watch your step too. And here is a little chapel. It might be open. Oh, it is open. There's a mosaic over here. Some very interesting things around. There's a bridge over there. There's some sculpture. It's interesting to see the way that they dealt with the water. So you can come over here. You come here and pray. You can come here and maybe get married if you rent out the area. So it's a little chapel area. You can come and you can pray. There's some interesting paintings. We're gonna cross the little bridge over here so we can reach the sculpture, go around it. Oh look, the water's running on that one. It's a nice little walk actually. It looks like it's a sculpture of a man pulling some sort of animal. I'm not sure what that is. There seems to be a house of the museum over there, but it's closed at this time. Well, they have like a dock area over there. There's some actual ducks. Let's get close to it. You see how there's like a little stream here, and it's coming naturally from there. What do you think of that duck coop, I guess? Hey, don't forget, if you like videos like these, to like and subscribe here only on The Retiro Show. See you in the next trip review.